Hello viewers, I'm Lauren from ayEbrid Animation Studios. Let's talk about this one tip that will help you sleep better tonight.
And that's if your viewers are all human.
Shut up, James. It's my presentation. So, according to the National Sleep Foundation, the best sleep happens in a room that's around 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, which is equivalent to 15 to 19 degrees Celsius for adults and children, and between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which is also equivalent to 18 to 21 degrees Celsius for babies and toddlers. That's not just a guess, though. Science backs it up.
Science backs it up, really?
Yes, James. Science backs it up. As you go throughout your day, your body temperature goes up and down.
You mean goes up and down? Like I go up and down?
Goodness sake, James, you're distracting me.
Duh.
When you get sleepy, your temperature starts to drop to get your body into sleep mode and to settle into REM sleep. A warm room prevents your body from reaching its optimal sleep temperature, causing a restless night's sleep and even insomnia.
Ooh.
If you wake up sweaty, that's a sure sign that your room is too warm, or you're using too many blankets. Sleeping with the room too cold, though, isn't good for sleep either. Being too cold can make your muscles contract to stay warm, preventing you from relaxing and falling into a deep sleep. Wish you all a good night's sleep tonight and stay healthy. And that's that for today. See you guys on our next episode of Enlightenment.
You forgot to confirm if your viewers are humans.
James,